We're here to let you in on a little secret. That is California's best little secret. Some know it as California's playground. It's a small town with big waves, where board meetings look a little different, and stopping to smell the roses comes with an ocean view. It's a place to bring your tiny traveler, where time seems to tick a little slower, where 273 days of sunshine are served with a side of fresh seafood. Explore the outdoors. Explore together. Explore in Ventura. Ventura. The only thing missing is you.